Here I've taken out all the old cork. It used to be here and I filled it with resin so it's not going to pop open again. All the old cork has been taken out all the way up. Just gives you a nice square edge as opposed to a big fat bead of decorator's cork. And I've filled the gap because it was so big with a resin based grey filler first of all. That's this more like grainy gritty one, but it's still quite flexible, so it's packed the hole nice and deep into the gap that was there, was about 10mm wide. Then over the top I've put resin to bind it all together, and it sticks incredibly well, so everything can just flex and move as the house expands and contracts with temperature changes, but you won't get a crack between here and here. Whereas if I just used cheapo powder filler and put it in, it wouldn't have stuck to this. As soon as the house expands and contracts due to temperature changes, there'll be a big crack all the way down here, which would look really ugly. Which is why I don't use cheap fillers. I've done it all the way along here, and on the top, I'm bringing the top down a little bit with filler, because there's a gap just there. And I don't really want to fill that gap, because you'd see the filler and the paint, so I'm just going to drop the ceiling down, drop that piece down, about 5 to 10 mil with filler. It used to have a big piece of quadrant all along there, which again was quite ugly. And down here I've done the same thing.